my name is Keegan Hitchcock from Body Art by Keegan, and we're here in Fort Lauderdale at One Model Place Studios. In this clip, I'm going to show you some makeup techniques so you can look like a man. First thing we're going to do is use an eyebrow pencil to thicken my brows a little bit. So we're going to take it and in thin hair-like strokes, just all the way across. You don't want to draw it in, you just want to do little quick strokes so it looks almost like you're drawing little hairs in there. Make sure you do a couple more towards the center there. Same thing on this side. We're going to go back over that after we get them thicker with a powder to set them, blend them in a little, look more natural. Don't need to worry about keeping your arch in there. Men pretty much have natural eyebrows, so you don't need to worry about the shape so much. Just thicken them up a little bit. Next thing, we're going to make the jawbone and the cheekbone a little slightly harsher, on a more angled look than a woman would have. So we're going to just go a little bit under the jawline there, make it real harsh. Just lightly feathering in with a medium to dark brown. I'm going to do similar over here. Make sure you don't give it too much of a sculpted look. You could make it more feminine instead of more masculine while you do this, and we want to avoid that. So now we're going to move on and give me a little stubble so I look like a unshaven man. We have our stipple sponge here. I'm dipping it in a little of the dark brown and the medium dark brown here. And what you want to do when you do this is just lightly tap. You're going to go all the way around, give yourself a full beard. Make sure you continue it from your hairline. Men tend to have sideburns. So go all the way up into your hairline, fading down into your stubble there. And go over and over so it doesn't look like the same pattern. You don't want people to realize what you've done here. And up a little bit. You're going to follow it onto your upper lip for your mustache stubble. You're going to kind of pull your lips in so your skin is tighter, easier to work on. I'm going to grab a wipe, clean this one up so it matches. No need for lip color. Let's wear a guy here. And a little finishing touch. And we are ready to go to the ball game. Thanks for watching. This is Keegan Hitchcock.